Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some quiet and mostly sunny conditions. As we move through today, we'll have a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm in the area ahead of a short wave that will be moving through, bringing us a better chance of some showers and storms. As we get into the evening time frame, do have a slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center of seeing severe weather this evening, so could see a few of those storms on the stronger side. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have a stalled boundary just off to the south and southeast. Otherwise, mainly high pressure in control. And again, we'll have that short wave moving through the area as we get later into the evening hours. Looking at current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, just a few clouds out there around 1,000 feet with some mist showing up on the observation. Otherwise, winds out of the southeast at 4 knots, temperature at 78 degrees, and relative humidity is at 87%. Taking a look at the current visible satellite, we can see some of the denser fog off to the west. Otherwise, most of that is burned off over the local area. Just a few low clouds around and some additional cloudiness off to the northwest, but otherwise winds are light across the region this morning. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out today. Again, as we go into the evening hours, we'll see the short wave start to dive into the region. You can see some showers and storms along with that. Out ahead of that, we could see a few pop-up showers, maybe even a thunderstorm over the region, mainly north of the local area. We can't rule out one getting close enough, but just a low chance of that. And then as we go into the evening hours, we see this line of some more scattered showers pushing into the area with that short wave likely pushing through after the 1800 local time frame and then pushing through the overnight hours, and should start to taper down as we get past the 2 a.m. time frame with things quieting down, and we'll see a chance of some patchy mist and fog in the area once again prior to sunrise as we go into our Wednesday. Going into Wednesday, we'll see more warmth and humidity move into the area, so we'll see a warmer day with those heat index values getting up to likely the mid-90s as we push through the day. Overall, looking like a dry day. We can't rule out a pop-up shower in the region. And then going into Wednesday evening, we'll see a slight breeze pick up through the evening hours. Again, overall mainly dry. And then as we go into the day on Thursday, continue gradual increase in that heat and humidity, with Thursday looking like a very hot and humid day with those heat index values likely getting over 100 degrees. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for this morning, starting off with green conditions. Again, mostly sunny out there, and expecting temperatures to rise up to the mid-80s, around 85 this afternoon. We'll see that south-southeast wind, 5 to 10 knots, picking up out of the south around 8 to 13 knots as we get into the afternoon hours. Pick up that very slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm in the region, looking like about a 15% chance that actually impacts the local area here at Wallops. Again, mainly those will be north of the local area. Then as we move into the evening hours, we'll see that breeze stick around, and then we'll pick up a better chance of some showers and storms pushing through the area, looking at about a 50% chance as that pushes through the evening hours. And we could see some stronger wind gusts with that chance of a few stronger storms embedded, so we do pick up a yellow risk for those winds that are above 25 knots, and then some reduced ceilings and visibilities with those showers and storms. Overall, orange risk for precip and lightning as we go through the evening hours this evening. Again, should see that start to wrap up as we get past the 2 a.m. time frame, and we'll see some patchy mist and possibly some fog hanging around through the morning hours, so we'll keep that yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities through that time frame, seeing our low around 70 degrees as we go into our Wednesday. Right now, tides are running normal, and if we look at the next couple of days, Wednesday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy day. Do have that very slight chance of a pop-up shower, very low chance of that. Otherwise, a warmer and more humid day. We'll see those heat index values up in the mid-90s and see a high around 87. But green across the board for our weather risk. Those green conditions continue into Wednesday evening, as we'll see partly cloudy to mostly clear evening and a slight breeze. We'll see our low around 76 degrees, so more muggy evening Wednesday night with those green conditions. And as we go into Thursday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions and warmer and more humid conditions. We'll likely see a high around 92 degrees, and that will put the heat index values up 98 to 103 degrees on Thursday. We'll see a breeze pick up a bit on Thursday as well with some slightly breezy conditions, so we pick up a yellow risk for those winds at or above 25 knots. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.